Your beautiful lawn, the one you're so proud of, has suddenly turned into a 5-star resort for every mosquito in the neighborhood. That perpetually damp patch of grass isn't just a drainage problem. The disgusting reason your yard is becoming a swamp, and the surprisingly simple fix, is something every single homeowner with a septic system needs to hear. It's a horror story that happens all the time. A patch of grass becomes perpetually damp, even on the hottest days. Soon, it's a full-blown, squishy marsh. Then come the bugs. Not just a few, but clouds of them. You start noticing the grass over this soggy spot is suspiciously green. And is that a faint, foul odor in the air? When you notice the soggy ground, the plague of bugs, the unnaturally lush grass, and that undeniable smell, the horrifying truth hits you. This isn't a landscaping problem. This is a plumbing problem. The worst kind. The septic tank kind. The oh crap epiphany. For those lucky enough to have city sewer, a septic system is your own private sewage plant buried in your yard. It's a beautifully simple, and yes, kinda gross, biological machine. Think of it as a stomach for your house. Everything you flush or pour down the drain ends up in a giant underground tank. Inside, heavy stuff sinks to the bottom, forming a layer of sludge. Lighter gunk, like grease and oil, floats to the top, creating a layer of scum. In between is a relatively clear liquid called effluent. This liquid is supposed to flow out into a network of underground pipes called the drain field. From there, the water slowly seeps into the soil, getting filtered naturally. It's an elegant system that's out of sight, out of mind, until it stops working. The problem starts when that drain field stops draining. Over time, a slimy layer of bacteria and gunk called a biomat can build up and clog the pipes and soil, making it waterproof. When that happens, the drain field is effectively constipated. The sewage has nowhere to go, so it backs up until it pushes its way to the surface of your lawn. This creates a smelly, bacteria-infested swamp that is the perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes. You're not just watering your lawn with sewage, you're rolling out the red carpet for an insect invasion. The surprisingly simple solution. The moment you realize your septic system might be failing, your mind goes to the worst-case scenario: backhoes tearing up your perfect lawn and a bill for $5, $10, or even $15,000 to replace the drain field. This is the fear that keeps septic owners up at night. But before you panic, do the single smartest thing you can in this situation: call a septic professional for an inspection. Not a general plumber, but a septic specialist. Often, the news isn't the financial apocalypse you're expecting. A drain field on life support isn't always dead. The solution frequently isn't some magic trick or a massive excavation. It's a simple strategy that costs almost nothing compared to a new drain field. The fix is all about changing your habits. Preventing a septic nightmare comes down to one thing: a septic system is a living ecosystem, and you have to treat it with respect. Here is the ultimate guide to avoiding a septic disaster. Part 1. The Septic Don't Do List. Stop doing these things right now. Stop using your sink as a garbage can. Kitchen grease and oils are public enemy number 1. Pouring hot grease down the drain creates clogs like candle wax in your home's arteries. Scrape every single plate into the trash can before you rinse it. Stop believing flushable wipes are flushable. They're not. There's no such thing as a truly flushable wipe for a septic system. Wipes, paper towels, dental floss, and cat litter do not break down in the tank. They create dense clogs that will ruin your system. The only things that should ever be flushed are human waste and toilet paper. That's it. Stop killing your bacteria army. Your septic tank is filled with billions of living bacteria that eat your waste. When you pour harsh chemicals like bleach, antibacterial soaps, or drain cleaners down the sink, you are carpet bombing your microscopic workforce. This lets solid gunk flow into your drain field, creating clogs. Don't drive on your drain field. Your drain field is a fragile network of pipes buried just underground. Driving cars or even heavy lawnmowers over it can compact the soil and crush the pipes, causing an instant, expensive failure. Don't build anything over it either, no sheds, no patios, nothing. Part 2, the simple maintenance that saves you thousands. This is the proactive stuff that saves you a fortune. Get your tank pumped. This is the single most important thing you can do. It's not a sign of failure, it's an oil change for your septic system. Most homes need a pump out every 3 to 5 years to remove the sludge and scum before it clogs your drain field. Be smart with water. Your system can only handle so much water at once. Instead of doing 10 loads of laundry on Sunday, spread them out. This gives the system time to process the water. Fixing leaky faucets is a huge help, too. Consider an oxygen boost. For systems needing extra help, some modern maintenance solutions can make a huge difference. Instead of just adding bacteria, certain solid tablets work by dissolving slowly and releasing oxygen directly into the tank. This oxygen supercharges the helpful aerobic bacteria that break down waste, grease, and sludge much more efficiently. It can dramatically reduce odors in just a few days and helps prevent the buildup that leads to clogs. We've put a link in the description to a tablet solution we trust. Using it also helps support this channel so we can keep making guides like this one. The moral of this swampy, stinky story is simple. A septic nightmare rarely happens overnight. It's almost always the result of years of unintentional neglect. But the good news is that you have almost complete control over the health of your system. You can prevent the swampy lawn, the swarms of bugs, and the terrifying multi-$1,000 repair bill. If this video helped you understand that secret world buried in your yard, do us a huge favor and destroy that like button. More importantly, share this video with another homeowner you know. You could be saving them from their own future nightmare. What's the worst homeowner problem you've ever had to deal with? Let us know your story in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, be kind to your bacteria.